Imagine waking up every morning full of energy, focus, and enthusiasm, feeling fully in control of your mind and body. Imagine moving through each hour of your day with clarity, strength, and purpose. That is the message of Own the Day, Own Your Life by Aubrey Marcus, a practical, science-backed guide to living your best life one day at a time. Marcus, the founder of the performance brand Onnit, has spent years studying the habits, nutrition, and mindset of high performers. His philosophy is simple. You do not have to transform your entire life overnight. You just need to master one day. Because when you own your day, your morning, your work, your relationships, your rest, you own your life. He writes, "If you can own one day, you can own every day. And when you own every day, you own your life." The book is built around a simple yet powerful idea. Your life is a collection of days, and each day is an opportunity to optimize your body, mind, and spirit. By focusing on the daily routines that truly matter, you can become stronger, healthier, happier, and more fulfilled. Marcus breaks this transformation into 8 key parts from the moment you wake up to the moment you fall asleep. Step 1. Own your morning. The way you start your day determines everything that follows. Marcus calls the first hour after waking the golden hour of power. It is the time when you prime your body and mind for success. The first step is hydration. After sleeping for 7 or 8 hours, your body is dehydrated. Marcus recommends starting your morning with a large glass of water mixed with sea salt and lemon. The minerals replenish electrolytes, balance hydration, and wake up your metabolism. He writes, "Your morning water is the signal to your body that it's time to perform." Next, get sunlight. Exposure to natural light within an hour of waking resets your circadian rhythm, boosts serotonin, and improves mood and alertness. Then, move your body. Do light stretching, yoga, or a few push-ups to get blood flowing. Finally, breathe deeply. Even 2 minutes of focused breathing can calm your nervous system and bring you into the present moment. These 4 actions, water, light, movement, and breath, create the foundation of a powerful day. Step 2. Own your work. After priming your body, it's time to focus your mind. Marcus says the key to productivity is not doing more, but doing what truly matters. He advises identifying your MITs, or most important tasks, before you start working. These are the few actions that will make the biggest difference in your goals. He writes, "Without direction, the day will own you, but with intention, you own the day." Marcus encourages deep work, 90-minute focus sessions, free from distractions. Put your phone away, silence notifications, and create a space where you can think and create. Take short breaks between sessions to stretch or walk. These breaks help you reset and avoid burnout. Nutrition also affects your work performance. Instead of eating a heavy breakfast that spikes blood sugar, Marcus recommends a meal high in healthy fats and proteins like eggs, avocado, or nuts. These foods sustain energy and mental clarity throughout the morning. Step 3. Own your movement. Movement is essential for both health and happiness. Marcus believes your body is meant to move every day. Exercise releases endorphins, improves focus, and boosts creativity. He writes, "The body is the vehicle for your soul, and it needs to be driven daily. You don't need a long or complicated workout. The key is consistency. Find movement you enjoy, whether it's weightlifting, running, yoga, martial arts, or dancing. Do something that challenges your body and wakes up your spirit." He also recommends functional fitness exercises that mimic real-life movement patterns. Lift, carry, jump, and stretch. Move in ways that prepare you for the challenges of life outside the gym. Even on busy days, get up every hour and stretch. Walk during phone calls. Keep your body awake and alive. Marcus says, you don't have to crush yourself every day. You just have to keep the body moving. Step 4. Own your nutrition. Marcus believes food is fuel, but also medicine. Everything you eat sends a signal to your body. Choose foods that support energy, focus, and longevity. Eat whole, unprocessed foods, fruits, vegetables, quality proteins, and healthy fats. He also recommends mindful eating. Sit down, eat slowly, and pay attention to the flavors and textures of your food. Avoid eating on autopilot or scrolling your phone at the table. When you eat consciously, you digest better and appreciate nourishment as a sacred ritual. Marcus also supports intermittent fasting, giving your body time to rest, repair, and burn stored energy. But his approach is flexible. The goal is awareness, not restriction. He says, every bite you take is a vote for the person you want to become. Step 5. Own your relationships. Connection is the foundation of fulfillment. Marcus reminds us that humans are tribal by nature. We are wired for community, love, and belonging. He writes, we are not meant to go through life alone. Isolation kills the spirit. To own your relationships, be fully present. When you talk to someone, put your phone away. Listen with intention. Look them in the eyes. Ask questions that go beyond surface-level conversation. Marcus also emphasizes the power of physical touch. A hug, a hand on the shoulder, or a moment of genuine affection releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. It strengthens relationships and reduces stress. Finally, express gratitude often. Tell people you love them. Thank them for being in your life. Gratitude strengthens connection and fills both giver and receiver with joy. Step 6. Own your mind. The mind can be your greatest ally or your greatest obstacle. Marcus says that to master your mind, you must become aware of your thoughts. Notice when your inner voice is negative or fearful. Replace judgment with curiosity. Meditation, journaling, and breathwork are powerful tools for quieting mental noise. Marcus also encourages reframing challenges as opportunities. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? He writes, you can't control the waves, but you can learn to surf. Owning your mind doesn't mean eliminating struggle. It means learning to navigate it with grace and awareness. Step 7. Own your evening. The way you end your day determines how well you rest and recover. Marcus encourages creating a nightly ritual that helps you wind down. Turn off screens an hour before bed, dim the lights, stretch, and breathe. Reflect on your day by writing down what went well and what you are grateful for. This trains your mind to focus on progress instead of problems. Sleep, Marcus says, is your body's most powerful recovery tool. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night. The better you rest, the better you perform. Step 8. Own your purpose. The final and most important lesson is about meaning. Purpose gives direction to every habit and every day. Without it, routines lose their power. Your purpose doesn't have to be grand. It could be raising your children, serving others, or simply growing into the best version of yourself. When you act with purpose, even small choices become meaningful. Marcus writes, every action is sacred when done with intention. Purpose fuels discipline and joy. It turns daily habits into a spiritual practice. When you connect every part of your day, your work, your health, your relationships to your purpose. Life becomes a masterpiece, built one day at a time. Final takeaway. The core message of Own the Day, Own Your Life, is that transformation starts with awareness and action. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start small, wake up with intention, move your body, eat consciously, love deeply, rest well. Your life is made of days, and if you can own one, you can own them all. That was Own the Day, Own Your Life by Aubrey Marcus, broken down into its most powerful lessons. Which part of your day will you master first, your morning routine, your mind, or your purpose? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this summary, make sure to like this video, subscribe to 10-Minute Books, and ring the bell so you never miss our weekly breakdowns of life-changing books. Remember, when you own your day, you own your life.